doing this thing. Hello, my lovely people. Today's video is going to be a tutorial of this gorgeous wig. Like, do you guys, this is beautiful. The color is beautiful. It came out better than I expected it to. I got this wig from a vendor and it was too thin, so I couldn't sell it. So I have a lot of 613 wigs that didn't come out as full as I wanted it to, so I just played with color a little bit, and I'm gonna install them. And I'm also going to be using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Now, this was $30 at my beauty supply store. So I hope this is the real deal. Like, I usually order from the Bold Hold website. But yeah, so if you're like me and you don't like keeping your wigs on, especially lace fronts, I would suggest getting the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. Now, this is going to be my first time trying it, but I've heard some good stuff about it. So this is a full lace wig. I actually hate wearing full lace wigs, but I'm just gonna put this one on for the purpose of this tutorial. I've kind of already pin curled it. Gonna try it on to see. I really hate wearing full lace wigs, guys. So hopefully this is a quick tutorial. So this is with me trying it on. This is where I would place it. All right, so I'm gonna cut my lace. I'm just gonna do this little cut right here, and then I'm going to take it off and start cutting with the eyebrow cutter. So I'm gonna get as close to the lace as I possibly can. I'm only doing it this way because this is how I see other people install it using the liquid gold. So yeah, so just cut your lace first. Don't cut past the hairline, just follow the hairline of the wig. Okay, so now that I've cut the wig, this is how it looks. It's just missing its lace. I'm going to put it back on my head. And okay. Actually, it's doing pretty good without, you know, the liquid gold already. It's already giving me like glueless vibes. It's already giving me glueless vibes. So let's scoot up. What I see other people doing is they'll put a little on their finger and they'll kind of like place it, but I'm not going to do that. I am going to actually use the end of this edge brush because I don't want all that on my finger. So let's see. It feels so like weird. It doesn't feel like glue. Like, it feels different. This must be gel or something. Like, they're really finessing because it feels like got to be. Take my dryer. I wonder if I could sleep with it on. I wonder if I could sleep with this. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to get like tacky or something. But so far. Okay. It's doing the little thing that it do. It's doing this little thing. Okay, so I'm not going to tug at it too much. I'm just going to finish the rest of the sides and then come back to you guys once I do that. Okay guys, so I'm back and I have it fully stuck on. I like it. Do I feel like it's worth $30 though? I guess it's not so bad. I feel like it does the same thing Got To Be would do, but quicker, I would say. Like, it kind of dried pretty quick, so I like it. I would use it specifically because I don't like gluing my wigs on, because I take it out like the same day. So let me just take these clips out. Actually, this is a pretty old wig. I don't even remember what vendor I used for it, but I got it and was like, what the heck? This thing is too thin. What am I gonna do with it? All right, so I'm going to do a middle part. I'm going to have to create a part. I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna use my silk wrap. Alright, so I'm gonna tie it down for 10 minutes and come right back. Okay, so now I am back. I'm going to untie it. Another thing. It sticks pretty good. Like, it sticks pretty good. It sticks pretty good. Like, once it sets. Trying to figure out how I want to style it. But I'll give it that. It's like pretty secure. Like, that is no joke about the liquid gold. So this is secure. Okay. Okay. I really don't like full lace wigs. Decided on a side part, so I'm going to wear it as a side part, and I kind of want this like fall over effect, so I'm going to spray it in place. So thin. I really was gonna throw this wig away. Little concealer brush from Elf to create a part. Something right there. I'm wasting time. Hopefully it doesn't lift up while I'm curling it, because that would be a bummer. So I'm gonna curl it up and get back to you guys with the finished look. Okay, so I've somewhat curled it, kind of letting this side dry a little. Saying is my final look, but I keep seeing where it could use like more work. But I hope you guys like this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hopefully, I hope you guys like videos like this so that I can do more. Sorry that the wig was such a terrible wig. Like, there's no body in this wig whatsoever. But I really appreciate you guys for watching, and I want to say have a happy new year, guys. It's 2021. Happy new year. Time to get your goals together. Time to get life together. This is the year. Your time is now. So happy new year.